पिता, मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे टू यू। देखते ही देखते हम बचपन से जवान हो गए और नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स द मिड लाइफ। I wanted to spend this birthday with you, but शायद बहुत कुछ और आगे देखने को बाकी है, इसलिए ये बर्थडे हम एक साथ नहीं कर पाए। कोई बात नहीं, नॉट दिस तो एटलीस्ट 50th बर्थडे है, 80th बर्थडे है, विल डेफिनेटली सेलिब्रेट, वी विल डेफिनेटली हैव फन एंड वी विल टेल ऑल दी स्टोरीज टू आवर ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन। आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट। ओके, हैव अ ग्रेट year ahead. Bye-bye.
Hey Smita, wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
So it's been now it's going to be your 40th birthday, and if I look back the memory lane, remember the pleasant memories of having cotton candy at Sagar Vihar, our daily walks back from school to that sector 9 chowk, and also our gupshups, sleepovers with your pink teddy bear and auntie's Koki. So all wonderful memories. So wish you all the very best and happiness in life. Bye.
Bye.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, dear Smita. May God bless you always. Have a great, great day and year ahead. Many more years ahead. I would also like to take this as an opportunity to thank you for being such a wonderful and sweet little friend who was always there by my side whenever I needed. Especially those days when my parents were away and our family was going through a very rough phase, all alone in Mumbai, and you spending time with me, giving me that moral support, that emotional support is something I cannot forget in this lifetime. Thank you so much for being such a sweet and lovable friend, lovely friend. Thank you.
Hi Rabu, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. Finally you've entered the 40 digit. Our friendship goes way beyond 1996 I believe. In 10th standard, that's when we met each other and फिर बन गए हम 5. याद है those chemistry lectures that we would bunk and or else being thrown out by KT sir to be more precise, and how we would instigate you to go in front of father and give a good excuse so that you're not thrown out of the school. Also, you remember Wing sir के class में हम जब अपने डब्बे खोलते थे even before the recess time, those lovely coke opening time and the santra openings. Oh man, they were just amazing. You've been one of the most kindest, most simple and yet an amazing person, an amazing friend whom we can just look up to at any given point of time. I don't remember कि कभी भी हम कहीं से भी disconnect हुए हैं, जहाँ हम जब मिले हैं we have just connected, and it has been a lovely journey knowing you, and you remain the same even after so many years. तेरी मम्मी के हाथ की सिंधी कड़ी रहने दे या बटाटा वड़ा रहने दे, in your house we have had lovely time. I think one of the amazing times that we've had together was our school trips, the college trips, and you were always the bakda because you were our dabbu after all. And हम सब तेरे को बेचारे को पकड़ते थे and you would take it so smartingly, so amazingly. Dabbu, I still miss all those 4 रास्ते पे जो हमारे talks होते थे, जो एक घंटे चलते रहते थे, and I believe, I am sure कि all our parents would be keep calling us each other, and उनको मिलते नहीं थे हम कहाँ पे हैं कहाँ नहीं है, but they were all rest assured कि चलो साथ में ही होंगे क्योंकि घर पहुँचे नहीं थे हम लोग टाइम पे. But that's it. I would just love to end with an amazing note that you have a lovely 40th birthday. Many wishes, lots of love, hugs and kisses. God bless you. Hope to meet you soon. Bye. Take care.
Smita, wish you many, many happy returns of the day. It's your 40th. Yippee! Big day. So how are you celebrating, darling? Wish if this COVID nonsense was not there, I could have been with you and we could have celebrated it in a grand way. Chalo, koi nahi. Very soon, hopefully, we'll meet, catch up and have fun. If not in Sweden, let's say we plan together to meet in India and go on a carnival like old college days and have fun riding around Sector 17 Vashi. Yaad hai na? Chal, bye. Take care. Have a lovely day.
Hi Smita, happy birthday. I wish I was there with you to celebrate your milestone. Oh well. What do I say about Smita? She's Dabu for me, by the way. So in school I met this really tall, very beautiful girl with such long, beautiful hair. Don't even ask. And you know, now we're friends for life. And sense of humor, she's at another level, guys, so don't even try. Smita, remember we were trying to get that, I don't know, it was a card I think from the letter box which was locked and all the things we tried. So I know it's a joke between you and me. I don't think anyone will ever understand, and this always used to happen. हम लोग दोनों इतना हंसते थे, कुछ भी चीज को लेके ऐसे हंसते थे, and people used all around us were like, okay, are they, these girls go again. Nobody will ever get that. You remember McDonald's mein hum log, we used to fight over who was going to go and get that little, you know, thing of ketchup, and I think we used to send poor Siddharth in the end. So all those memories just flooding by, you know. And guys, she's the kindest person you'll ever meet. I'll give a small example. Dabu, remember 11th mein hum log Lonavala gaye the. So at that time I had it was a gift. I had a, you know, analog Canon camera. It was a new camera, and you know, we were clicking pictures and all. After a while I realized that my camera is missing, and I was so worried, kya kare. And the next thing I see, I look at her, she's crying. Camera mera khoya hai, she's crying. But end of the story, we found it. But she's like that. She's like that. She'll do anything for you if you're her friend. Even otherwise, I guess. And now she's the mother of 2 beautiful kids. And of course, Gaurav, thank you for taking this initiative. I knew Gaurav, you know, before Smita and Gaurav got married, so I guess I knew him through her. But yes, I know their journey. So happy birthday once again, Dabu. And I will not forget you for ditching me 2 years ago. You were going to come to Canada, so that one's on you. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye, have a great day. Happy birthday again.